I'm Chef Maria, and I'm a French-trained pastry chef, utilizing my pastry skills as a unifying language to bring new understanding to diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging training. Why? Because before they called me chef, I was called names like Fatso, Tubalubba, Aunt Jemima, and the N-word. The problem is people think diversity only refers to one race, one ethnicity, like only Black people, similar to our purple wrap truffles. Even when we have an assortment of colors, we still need to include people with characteristics that aren't readily visible, like sexual orientation, gender, age, veteran status, and more. You can't tell any of the characteristics of the truffles just by looking at them, can you? We use our 3-ingredient approach to training: dictionary definition, audience participation, and a baking demonstration. It's out of the box, unique, creative, highly interactive, delicious, and no one calls our training boring. We target B2B mid-sized corporations with 1,000 to 5,000 employees with an active DEI program and training. The ROI of a diverse and inclusive workplace is they outperform competitors, they have higher innovation, and they capture diverse markets. In the post-COVID world, the DEI market is thriving at a combined annual growth rate of 12.6% a year and estimated to climb from $9.4 billion to $24.3 billion by 2030. The current DEI training market is $3.4 billion. The DEI training space is crowded. However, we are the only company harnessing the power of food as a unifying language to create equitable spaces for foundational level DEI&B work to increase employee engagement, understanding, and retention. Our revenue is split between 4 different services. The largest is on-site, which includes team building and DEI&B training. We are also leveraging strategic partnerships to increase virtual offerings and to scale. In addition to our corporate clients, we received unexpected traction when featured on the Today Show, invited to a private luncheon from Beyonce's Be Good Foundation, and being a speaker at BMW. Our go-to-market strategy is we are continuing to expand our footprint through various in-person and digital channels. Our ask is simple: contracts, sponsors, and strategic partnerships. Please use the QR code to access all social media links, videos, and contact info. Again, I'm Chef Maria of Beyond Decadence, where everyone at our table belongs. Thank you.